In a realm where rolling hills kissed the azure sky, there existed an enchanting countryside, a haven of peace and beauty. This land was adorned with lush green fields that stretched as far as the eye could see, dotted with wildflowers of every hue, swaying gently in the warm breeze. The air was fragrant with the sweet scent of blossoms, and the melodious chirping of birds filled the atmosphere, creating a symphony of nature. In this serene landscape, the sun shone brightly, casting golden rays that danced upon the earth. Among the many wonders of this countryside was a wise old sage named Eldrin, whose presence radiated knowledge and compassion. Eldrin was a figure of reverence, known far and wide for his profound wisdom. With a long white beard that flowed like a river of snow and a simple brown robe that wrapped around his frame, he embodied the essence of humility. Every day, people from nearby villages would embark on journeys to seek Eldrin's counsel. They arrived with questions about love, friendship, and the complexities of life, hoping to glean insights that would guide them on their paths. Eldrin welcomed each visitor with open arms, his eyes twinkling with warmth as he prepared to share the treasures of his heart. One sunny afternoon, as the sun painted the landscape in vibrant shades of gold, Eldrin settled beneath the sprawling branches of an ancient tree. This magnificent tree had stood for centuries, its gnarled roots anchoring it firmly to the earth. Its thick trunk was a testament to resilience, and its leafy canopy provided shelter and shade to those seeking refuge. On this particular day, a young girl named Lila approached Eldrin with eager steps. She wore a colorful traditional outfit, adorned with intricate patterns that mirrored the vibrant flora around her. Her hair was woven with delicate wildflowers, and her eyes sparkled with curiosity. Lila had heard tales of Eldrin's wisdom and had come to seek his guidance. As Lila settled cross-legged on the grass before him, Eldrin smiled gently. "Let me share with you a story, dear Lila," he began, his voice like a soothing melody. Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a proud peacock. He described the peacock's magnificent plumage, shimmering in hues of blue and green, captivating all who laid eyes upon it. The peacock, enamored with its own beauty, often strutted around the forest, flaunting its feathers and boasting to the other animals. "Look at me," it would cry, preening itself in front of the admiring creatures. At first, the other animals praised the peacock, enchanted by its elegance. However, as time passed, they grew weary of its arrogance. But soon, Eldrin continued, the peacock found itself alone. Its vanity had driven away its friends, leaving it isolated in the forest. Lila's brow furrowed with concern as she listened intently. Eldrin described how the peacock's heart grew heavy with loneliness. It spent its days by the pond, gazing at its reflection, longing for the joy of friendship. One day, while sitting by the water's edge, the peacock noticed a small sparrow perched nearby, singing a cheerful tune. The sparrow was plain and unassuming, yet it radiated warmth and happiness. Intrigued by the sparrow's joy, the peacock approached it cautiously. "How is it that you have so many friends?" the peacock asked, unable to hide its envy. The sparrow, with a gentle smile, replied, "I do not seek attention for my looks. Instead, I share joy and kindness with those around me. My friends love me for who I am on the inside." In that moment, the peacock realized the truth. True beauty lies not in outward appearances, but in the kindness and humility one shows to others. As the story unfolded, Eldrin explained how the peacock began to change. It started to offer help to other animals, sharing its knowledge about the forest and protecting those in need. Slowly but surely, friendships blossomed. The peacock learned to listen and appreciate the beauty in others, and in turn, it found companionship and joy. The peacock became a beloved member of the forest community, Eldrin said with a smile. It discovered that the love and respect of others were far more valuable than mere admiration for its looks. Lila felt inspired by the peacock's transformation, realizing that true beauty was indeed found in the heart. Encouraged by Eldrin's storytelling, Lila began to share her own experiences. She spoke of the friendships she cherished in her village and the importance of kindness in her daily life. Eldrin listened attentively, his heart swelling with pride for the young girl who was eager to learn and grow.